Welcome to our adaptive real-time phishing threat detection system. Let's see what happens when a user attempts to access a deceptive URL. Phase 1 Pre-processing. The system immediately initiates Phase 1 pre-processing. It checks global whitelists and DNS architecture. Finding no cache matches, it escalates to a deep scan. Phase 2 Feature extraction. In Phase 2, the system extracts critical lexical and structural features in real time, instantly flagging invalid certificates and typo squatting attempts. Phase 3 Hybrid AI. These features are fed into our hybrid AI inference engine. The neural network processes the anomalies, surging to a severe 98.4% threat probability. Phase 4 Sandbox. To confirm malicious intent, the URL is dropped into our dynamic content sandbox, where a hidden credential theft script is caught and neutralized. Phase 5 Output UI. The connection is permanently blocked. Finally, our explainable AI translates the complex machine learning decision into clear, human readable threat logs so administrators know exactly why it was stopped. Part 2 The legitimate traffic. As the screen resets and types Google. But what about legitimate traffic? Let's run a standard, highly trusted domain through the same architecture. Phase 1 Pre-processing. Safe. During pre-processing, the system immediately recognizes a cache hit against the global majestic whitelist, safely bypassing the heavy, deep content sandbox. Phase 2 Feature extraction. Safe feature extraction confirms a completely clean profile, highlighting valid enterprise SSL certificates and a standard domain age. Phase 3 Hybrid AI. Safe. The hybrid AI effortlessly maps the standard nodes, calculating a negligible 1.2% risk score with zero structural anomalies. Final output. Safe. The traffic is safely approved. The explainable AI transparently logs the clean features, proving that our system is both highly secure against threats and highly efficient for legitimate users.